Hello everyone, this is Rakshita. So let's start from class 8 maths lesson number 9 exercise 9.5 from the question number 1. So let's read out the question first. Use a suitable identity to get each of the following products. It means that you have to use the identity, you have to apply the identities to get each of the following products. Means expression is given and you have to find the product by applying or using the identities. So which identities? There are 4 and I have taught you in the previous class. Yeah, so I'm writing again the identities. Okay, so first is a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is our first identity. So let's second is simple. A minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, then third one is a plus b, then wait, bracket here it should be close. Okay, bracket first close, then it will just start on the new one. Close, then open, a minus b, then close. Okay, so then a square minus b square. This is a simple one. And next fourth one, the last property is, wait, fourth is not written, it will tilted. Okay, then yeah, wait, yeah, now okay. So here fourth property is x plus a, then bracket close, again bracket open, x plus b, then it should be x is 2 times, so x square plus again bracket open, a plus b, bracket close, into x plus ab. Okay, so these are the 4 properties. So by applying this, there are, I think so, 10 parts. So we have to do all the 10 parts. So by using this 4 properties. Okay, so let's start from the first part. Okay, so first part is x plus 3 into x plus 3. Okay, so here which property will be, because plus here and plus, we can write it as x plus 3 square. We can, because x plus 3 into x plus 3 is x plus 3 square. Okay, so this, wait, for this first in this case we have to write the identity. It is important to write the identity. So which identity? First identity means plus, both plus. So which identity? A, wait, whole square it will be now, a plus b square is equal to, I am writing down. Okay, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is the identity which we are going to use in this case. Okay, so let's do. So for this we have to find the first a and b. So x is a and 3 is b. Okay, 3 is b, means x represent a and b represent 3. Okay, so let's do first x plus 3 into x plus 3. So x plus 3 square, then which property? A square. A square is, a is this x and what it will be? Square. Square with sign plus 2 into a into b. Okay, 2 into a, what is a? X, then bracket close, bracket means multiply, then again bracket open, b is 3, so we'll write 3, then plus b square, b is 3 and square. Okay, 3 wait, first, okay, so let it be as it is. So it is 3 square. So final answer will be simple, x square is x square only, plus 2 into x is 2x. So first we will multiply the constant, 2 into 3 is 6, so into x, 6x, plus 3 into 2, 3 square means 3 into 3, 9. Wait, it is x and plus, don't confuse in this. So this is the final answer, this is the expression. So let's move towards the second part. Okay, second part is 2y plus 5 into 2y plus 5. Again we can write it as 2y plus 5 square, because they are multiplied 2 times. So a and b first we have to write. these 2a represent 2y and 5 represent b. Okay, 5 represent b. Yeah, so first a square, a is 2y, means it will be 2y square with sign, plus sign, then 2ab, then 2 into a is 2y, so write 2y bracket close, then multiply 5. Why 5? Because b, here b is 5, so we will write 5, then with sign, plus sign as it is, then b. Where is b? B is 5 and here it is written square, so we have to write 5 square. Okay, so 2y square, 2y, wait, 2 into 2 is simply 4, so we can write it as 4y square. Okay, 4y square plus as it is 2 into 2 4, 4 into 5 20 and y as it is 20 into y means 20y, and plus 5 square means 5 into 5 is 25. So this is the final expression of second one. So we have done here first and second one. So let's come to the third part. Yeah, so this is the third and fourth part. So let's do it. So third is 2a minus 7 into 2a minus 7. We can write it as 2a, wait a minute, actually it is a little bit different. Wait, 2a minus 7 square. We can write it as, okay, oh first wait, we have written this, but we have to write the property also. So let's write down property here. Minus in both situation, both case minus is there. So for minus sign, second property will be used. Second is a minus b square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is the second property which is going to be used. Okay, then now I'm going to done like a box. So then a and b, first I will mention this is the a, this represent a and this represent b. Okay, so let's do. So first a square, a is this, so 2a square, wait, 2a square with sign minus, then 2 into a is 2a. Okay, 2a, then again bracket close and multiply b, which is b 7, then my plus sign, b is this 7, so with square is set, so write 7 square. Wait, I'm having duster. Yeah, 7 square. So here 2 2's are 4, 4a square minus 2 2's are 4, 7 4's are 28, and this a as it is, plus sign, 7 square means 9. So this is the expression of this third one. Okay, so let's come to the fourth one. Fourth one is 3a minus 1 by 2, multiply 3a minus 1 by 2. So here we have to, again we can write it as 3a minus 1 by 2 square. Okay, here again minus in both situations, so we can use this one property as it is, which we have used in previous one. Okay, so as it is, first a square, I will represent a and b. A square means 3a square, then with sign minus sign, 2 into a is 3a, then multiply b means 1 by 2. 3a, wait, a is looking like okay, a, then 1 by 2, then with sign plus sign, okay, plus sign, b square, b is 1 by 2, so we can write 1 by 2 square. Okay, it's square. Yeah, so let's solve this. So 3 into 3 is 9, a square as it is, minus 2 3's are 6, wait, yeah, 2 3's are 6, but we will do it in a, yeah, rough, yeah, we can do it here, this is the rough one. So 2 into 3a into 1 by 2. So from 2 to it cut, so 3a into 1 is simple as it is 3a. Okay, so we can write it as 3a, then plus sign we can do here only. Okay, this 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, square is set 2 times, you have to multiply 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So 1 into 1 is 1, 2 to the 2 into 2 4. Okay, 1 by 4. Wait, I will rub it first. Yeah. So this is the final answer of this fourth one. So we have done here third and fourth. So let's move to the fifth part. Yeah, so this is the fifth part and sixth part. So let's read out the first. 1.1m minus 0.4 multiply 1.1m plus 0.4. So here is minus. In first expression it is minus, and the second one it's plus. So we will use the third one identity. Okay, what is the third one identity? A plus b square multiply means multiply a minus b. This is a. Okay, a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Wait, don't need to put this. So this is our property. Okay, so let's apply it to this question. So this we can write it as C, 1.1 m minus 0.4, 1.1 m plus 0.4. Wait, it's a little bit tricky. Okay, 0.4 it is, then back close. Okay, for this a square. So a, this one is a, this one is b. Okay, and this one is again a, and this one is again b. So first a square is this, means 1.1 m square we have to take out. 1 point, we have to multiply 1 point into the same, because square is asked now. So 1.1 into 1.1. 1 ones are 1, again 1 ones are 1, then 1, then 1 ones 1, plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1. Then after one, here 1 digit, here 1 digit, means total 2 digit after. So this is the decimal point. So 1.21. So we can write as 1.21 m and square of this square. Okay, then with sign, minus sign, then b square, which is b square, this. So again we have to multiply it by 2 times, 0.4 into 0.4. So let's do 0.4 into 0.4. Okay, so 4 into 4 is 16. 1 carry, simple, no need to carry, simple write it as, because it's 0 now. It's 0. Okay, looking like an oval shape. 16, then into 0, 4 is a 0, 0 into 0, again 0, 6, 1, 0. Okay, so here 1 digit, here 1 digit, means 2 digits. After 2 digit it will be decimal, means 0.16. So any variable is not here. So this is the final answer. Okay, so okay, so this is the final answer, fifth one. So let's come to the sixth one. Okay, so sixth one is a square plus b square multiply minus a square plus b square. It is a little bit complicated and tricky one, this one, because this one is easy, both plus. Okay, but here with sign, minus sign. Okay, here minus sign. So we have to, if here is minus sign and here is plus sign, so we have to shift it. How we can shift? See, first here a square plus b square, we can write it as b square plus a square. Simply this will come here and this will go there. Okay, simply we have to do this much. And here also we have to shift. In both the places we have to shift. Here also b square plus, no need to give plus sign, simple b square, and this minus a square is here, so minus a square. Okay, so now we have to solve. First we'll write, this is a and this represent b, again this represent a, again this represent b. Okay, so first it is asked a square, a is this, and square a is b square. Okay, so b square, but b square after here, this is one we have put, and this one also now we have to put. Okay, this is a 2 square of this one. Okay, b square, so simple b square we have written, and again we have to add, means multiply 2, means we have to write the power 2. So then with sign, minus sign, simple minus sign, then b square, which is b is here, b represent a, so again a square, but this also we have to put this square, so we'll write this. Okay, so here how we can do, here if b square, only b square is asked, wait, I am doing it in rough. Okay, this is b square if it asks, so b into b. If it is asked double of this, means 2 into 2, 4, simple. So b into b into b. So we'll write b raised to the power 4. Okay, b raised to the power 4. You can do simply 2 into 2, 4. Okay, here minus, then a again, square into square means 2 into 2, 4 again, a raised to the power 4. So this is the answer of 6th one. So we have done in this video 6th part. So in next video we are going to start from 7th part. Thank you.